Hello everyone, I'm Neetu. Today we're going to see about data mining and data warehousing. What is data mining? Data mining refers to extracting or mining knowledge from large amounts of data. The term is actually a misnomer. Thus, data mining should have been more appropriately named as knowledge mining, which emphasizes on mining from large amounts of data. It is computational process of discovering patterns in large data sets involving methods are the interaction of artificial intelligence, machine learning, statistics, and database systems. The overall goal of the data mining process is to extract information from a data set and transform it into an understandable structure for further use. The key properties of data mining are automatic discovery of patterns, prediction of likely outcomes, creation of actionable information, focus on large datasets and databases. Data mining process. We can see many data mining processes. Those are problem defined, data analysis, model verification, insights. And this is a data mining application. We can see healthcare, fraud detection, CRM, manufacturing engineering, education, financial banking, lie detection, market-based analysis. We'll now go to data warehouse. The data warehouse is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, and non-volatile collection of data in support of management's decision-making process. The data warehouse is a type of data management system that is designed to enable and support business intelligence activities, especially analytics. Data warehouses are indeed to perform queries and analysis and often contain large amounts of historical data. The data within a data warehouse is usually derived from a wide range of sources such as application log, files, and transaction applications. We can see data warehouse diagram upon here. We can see CMR, billing, EPR, flat files, other data sources. And on the right side, we can see reporting, analytics, data mining. Multidimensional data model. The multidimensional data model is a method which is used for ordering data in the database along with good arrangements and assembling of the contents in the database. The multidimensional data model allows customers to integrate analytical questions associated with market or business trends unlike relational databases which allows customers to access data in the form of queries. They allow users to rapidly receive answers to the requests which they made by creating and examining the data comparatively fast. OLAP (Online Analytical Processing) and data warehousing uses multidimensional databases. It is used to show multi-dimensions of the data to users. It represents data in the form of data cubes. Data cubes allows to model and view the data from many dimensions and perspectives. It is defined by dimensions and facts and it is represented by a fact table. Facts are numerical measures and fact table contains measures of the related dimensional tables or names of the facts. Here we can see the multidimensional data modeling diagram. We can see the given time and the location and the product used. Now let's go for the difference between OLAP and OLTP. OLAP is well known as an online database query management system, whereas OLTP is well known as an online database modifying system. Data source consisting of historical data from various databases, whereas OLTP consists of only of operational current data. OLAP method used it makes of the data warehouse, whereas OLTP it makes use of standard database management system. Application it is subject oriented, used for data mining analytics, discussions making, decision making, etc. whereas OLTP it is application oriented, used for business tasks. In an OLAP database, tables are not normalized. In OLTP, tables are normalized. The data is used in planning, problem solving, and decision making, whereas in OLTP, the data is performed day to day fundamental operation. It performs a multidimensional view of different business tasks, whereas OLTP it reveals a snapshot of present business tasks. It serves the purpose to extract information for analysis and decision making, whereas OLTP serves the purpose to insert, update, and delete information from the database. The large amount of data is stored typically in DB or PB, whereas in OLTP the size of the data is relatively small as the historical data is achieved, for example MB or GB. Relatively slow as the amount of data involved in large queries may take hours, whereas in OLTP it is very fast as the queries operate on 5% of the data. The OLAP database is not often updated; as a result, data integrity is unaffected, whereas in OLTP the data integrity constant must be maintained. It only need backup from time to time as compared to OLTP, whereas in backup and recovery process is maintained in OLTP. The processing of complex queries can take a lengthy time. In OLTP, it is comparatively fast in processing because of simple and straightforward queries. In OLAP, the data is generally managed by CEO, MD, GM. This data is managed by clerks, managers. In OLAP, only read and rarely write operation can be used. In OLTP, both read and write operation can be used. With lengthy scheduled batch operations, data is refreshed on the regular basis, whereas in OLTP the user initiates data updates which are brief and quick. Process that is focused on the customer in OLAP, whereas in OLTP process that is focused on the market. In OLAP, design with a focus on the subject, whereas in OLTP, design is focused on the application. Improves the efficiency of business analytics in OLTP, enhance the user's productivity. Thank you.